Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Take a look at one of the most stylish BMW-style ride-on cars we sell here at RiiRoo. We're talking about the BMW i8-style 12-volt kids electric ride-on car. You really do need to see this up and close to believe the quality of this car. With its twin independent motors on the back wheels to give it that extra oomph, and its stylish looking alloys and realistic tyre tread, this really is a great looking car. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed our videos, please consider subscribing and check out our other playlists.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Boot storage to keep their books and toys safely stored and out of the way. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.